Hello guys, today we are going to show you all the main parts of a speaker, and we're going to take it all apart step by step to show you guys all the parts that are inside this cool speaker from an amplifier. That is the motor. This is the donut magnet. It's tracked to the metal, of course. There are these rings.
The top plate?
Top plate and the bottom plate.
So this is the top plate, and that's the bottom plate.
There's the...
And this is a ferrite magnet?
Yep, ferrite magnet. This is the frame.
Yep.
And then these are the wires for the terminals, the wire terminals. And then there's plus and minus, positive and negative.
That's right.
Yep.
What's the frame made out of on this one?
Carbon fiber.
Oh, this one's made out of steel.
Steel.
Yep.
Steel.
And like this bottom plate and the top plate are made out of steel.
Yeah.
The magnet's ferrite.
Yep.
And then on this side, what we got?
We got the cone. It looks like a cone. And then this is the
That was the dust cap.
Dust cap. We're gonna cut this off first.
All right, let's cut that off. I'm gonna back up just a little bit.
Mhm.
Okay. This dust cap on this speaker is glued on, and it's glued onto the cone, and it's made out of fabric. You can kind of hear
Fabric.
it.
Yeah.
It's a heavy duty fabric. There it is.
Yep.
And it's a little cap.
Yeah.
So what do we have down inside here?
I don't remember anything.
You don't remember this guy?
No.
Remember how this is called the voice coil?
Voice coil.
And this is the voice coil former. This is what the
former.
voice coils wrap around.
Yep.
And it's riding on this. Remember what that's called? The
Oh,
pole piece?
Yeah.
The pole piece. So it rides up and down. And see how the speaker goes up and down on there?
Yep. Goes boing boing.
Yep.
And then
So the next thing we're going to have to cut
is
on
a
here
spider.
is this. You want to do the spider first?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do the spider first. So we're showing the spider. Tell them what the spider does.
Spider holds the cone in place.
Mm-hmm.
Makes it from going all over the place.
Mm-hmm. And it's kind of like a spring.
Yep.
It's like a suspension for the cone.
Yeah.
And so you can see the spider moving there when I move the cone, right?
Yeah.
Up and down. Pretty stiff spider? What did you say on this one?
Yeah.
Not a lot of travel to this speaker either.
Mhm.
So this could take a minute, but we'll try to get in here and cut this.
Can't remember anything.
Oh, you're doing okay. You're doing great. You remember lots of stuff. Andy, I'm going to cut this surround out first. Show them the surround.
Okay. There's a surround.
So this surround on this cone is actually part of the cone.
Mhm.
And it's kind of laminated with some goo. A lot of times it'll have like a rubber surround or a neoprene, like a foam surround. So we'll just go ahead and cut this.
Oh yeah.
There it goes. And now we can see down in there and see the spider.
Mhm.
See that? So we can go along here and cut this spider easier. Whoa, look what we got to now. What are those things called?
Those are the cables from the terminals.
Yep. Do you remember what we called those? Tinsel leads.
Tinsel leads.
Yep. And they're because they look like tinsel.
Yep.
And those connect to the voice coil.
Yep. They
Okay.
connect to the voice coil.
And that's how the power gets transmitted to the voice coil. We got two razor blades on our magnets.
Huh.
Okay, so we're gonna cut these tinsel leads. Show them that.
Okay.
Show them right here.
Yeah.
1,
2.
2. Those go through the cone and into the voice coil.
Yeah.
We'll finish cutting the spider off. Okay.
Yep.
Now,
And now we can.
this cone should pop right out.
Mm.
And look at the voice coil on that one. Nice and shiny.
Yeah.
Looks like it's either copper clad aluminum or maybe it's pure copper.
Yeah.
And it looks like it's about 8 or 10 millimeter wind height.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, this is a 10-inch speaker, by the way.
Yeah, I think it's a 10.
Yep.
If I had to guess, it might be a 12. I just have it measured. And then, see here, Andy?
Yeah.
See how this coil's burnt up and this
Yeah.
one is still good.
Yep.
See that? So this came out of an amp that had 2 of these speakers in it. And the whole amp burned up, the voice coil burned up, and the amp got destroyed. So we're just kind of doing this as a science experiment for YouTube and for learning
Yep.
stuff. So this voice coil former looks to me like it's made out of plastic. Maybe it's nylon or I don't know. I'm gonna guess nylon. And it's glued onto the cone here.
Yeah, it's glued onto the cone.
And so
Spider.
tell them
is
about
glued
this
on.
motor and how this motor works.
The motor generates the sound.
Yep.
The speaker when the guitar is played and it goes "Bwah," like that basically.
Yep.
And then there's this red glue that spider I think is glued onto.
Yep.
That's right. That's why Spider's so strong.
Yep. And then you remember about the pole piece, how it has the negative magnet and how the top the top plate has the positive magnet. It creates a gap, a magnetic gap right here.
That gap.
And then that's what this coil rides inside of. It rides inside that magnetic gap, like this.
Yeah.
And when you put an AC waveform signal into those tinsel leads, it excites this coil and makes it move up and down.
Yeah, it does.
And so that's how you transmit the sound. And see those tinsel leads go and connect to the wires in this coil.
Yep.
So that's pretty much it.
Okay. Goodbye.